Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Adil Iman bin Abdul Manaf. My metric number is 01DTK25F1050. Today I'm going to talk about definition of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics focused on the relationship between the angles and side length of triangles, especially right triangles. It involves the study of trigonometry functions like sine and cosine, which define the ratio between a triangle side and has a wide-ranging application in fields such as astronomy, map-making, engineering, and physics.
Hello, my name is Firdaus Ashraf bin Muhammad Nizam. My matrix number is 10DTK25F1041. Today, I will explain about trigonometry in engineering. Trigonometry is widely used in engineering to calculate angles, distance, and force. Civil engineering applies when designing buildings, bridges, and tunnels. Mechanical engineering uses trigonometry to study motion, rotation, and vibration in machines. Electrical engineering rely on trigonometric functions when to analyze alternating current circuit and signals. Aerospace engineering use it to calculate flight path, navigation, and structural stability. Computer engineers also apply trigonometry in graphics, robotics, and simulation to model movement and angles accurately.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Megat Ahmazik bin Megat Karudim. My matrix number is 01DTK25F1051. Today I'm going to explain about the solution and formula for trigonometry. Let's check it out. This slide shows the fundamental formulas in trigonometry that help us relate the angles of a right angle triangle to the lengths of its sides. For Formula 1 called sine or saw, sine of an angle written as sin is the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Think of it as a saw, meaning sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. The next formula is called cosine or cah. Cosine of an angle written as a cos is the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. Cah meaning cosine equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. For the last formula is called tangent or toa. Tangents of an angle written as a tan is the ratio of the opposite side over the adjacent side. Toa meaning tangents equals opposite divided by adjacents. A common way to remember this is phrase called soh ka toa. It tells you which sides to use for each ratio. Here we can see how trigonometry is used in real life. Imagine you're standing some distance from a tall building and you want to calculate its height or the angle of ratio without actually climbing it. We can use the triangle explanation. We found a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is slanted line 10 units. The base or adjacent side is 7 units. And the opposite side, which represents the building height, is 6 units. We can use the formula from earlier called soh ka toa. For example, sine meaning opposite divided by hypotenuse, meaning 6 divided by 10 equals 0.6. For cosine, we use the adjacents divided by hypotenuse. Using 7 divided by 10 equals 0.7. And the last one, tangents. We use the opposite divided by adjacents, meaning 6 divided by 7 equals 0.857. This is how engineers, surveyors, or even architects use trigonometry to calculate height, distance, or slopes when direct measurement is not possible.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Haris Dina bin Mahathir. My registration number 01DTK25F1043. In conclusion, trigonometry plays a vital role in all branches of engineering as it provides the mathematical foundation for solving problems involving angles, distance, and forces. It allows civil engineers to design safe structure, mechanical engineers to analyze motion and vibration, electrical engineer to understand alternating currents and signal, aerospace engineer to calculate flight path and navigation, and computer engineers to create accurate graphic and simulation. Without trigonometry, many modern technologies, machine and structure would not be possible, making it a cornerstone of engineering knowledge and practice. That's all from me. Thank you.